Hey, babe.
Hey, babe. Hey, babe, can you come help me parallel park the van? Can't do it. I just can't do it.
Oh my goodness. When are you gonna learn? I'm on my way. Here's the secret method to being able to park in any spot with any vehicle, including an 18-foot van. The first step is to drive up alongside the front car as close as safely possible, with your back bumper just behind the front car's back bumper, like so. Second, without moving, turn the steering wheel all the way to the right. Keeping the steering wheel all the way to the right, slowly reverse until just before you see the passenger headlight of the vehicle behind you. Then stop. Next, straighten the tires out, then reverse until your front bumper is even with the rear bumper of the front vehicle. Then stop. Turn the steering wheel all the way to the left and slowly reverse. You will be close to the vehicle in front of you. It will look uncomfortably close from the driver's perspective, but you will clear. Reverse until your vehicle is straight into the spot. Then pull forward to center the vehicle between the front and rear vehicles. Ta-da! And there you have it. Thanks for watching.